If you want to learn how to use the Spline tool in AutoCAD, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Spline is a great tool when you need smooth, flowing curves in your drawing, and it gives you much more flexibility than simple straight lines or basic arcs. Whether you're working on technical drawings, design sketches, or detailed layouts, knowing how to create and edit a spline can save you time and help you build cleaner, more professional shapes. Before we start, if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. It really helps support the channel and lets you find more helpful how-to videos in the future. Alright, let's get into it. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. You can start with a blank file or open an existing project if you already have one prepared. Once your drawing is ready, make sure you're in the workspace where you can easily access the command line and begin drawing. Now, to activate the Spline tool, type Spline into the command line and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD that you want to create a smooth spline curve instead of a standard line or polyline. After you press Enter, AutoCAD will be ready for you to start placing points in the drawing area. Next, click in the drawing to define the curve shape. Your first click sets the starting point of the spline. After that, continue clicking where you want the curve to pass through or bend. Each point helps shape the path of the spline, so place them carefully based on the form you want to create. As you keep clicking, AutoCAD will build the curve between those points. If you want the spline to be more detailed or to follow a more complex shape, just keep adding more control points. More points can give you greater precision, but remember that too many points can sometimes make the curve harder to manage, so try to keep it smooth and intentional. Once you're happy with the shape, press Enter to finish the spline. AutoCAD will complete the curve and place it in your drawing as a finished object. At this stage, you can zoom in and inspect the curve to make sure it looks the way you want. If you want to adjust the spline after creating it, simply select the spline. You'll notice grips appear on the curve. These grips let you refine the shape by dragging points into new positions. This is especially useful if the curve needs a small correction or if you want to fine-tune the smoothness of the line. Using grips is one of the easiest ways to edit a spline without starting over. You can click and drag the grips until the curve matches your design more closely. This gives you a lot of control and makes the spline tool very useful for custom shapes. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the spline tool in AutoCAD, from creating the curve to adjusting it afterward. Once you practice this a few times, it becomes a very fast and effective way to draw smooth, accurate shapes in your projects. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.